Hey everyone, this is Acid Jurassic. Today we are unboxing FIFINE's AM8T microphone kit, a dynamic USB XLR mic built for streaming. Alright, let's go ahead and open up the box. Packaging overall is solid like last time. It does have one piece of tape on the bottom. Alright, so let's start with what's similar, then we will go into the microphone itself. Now it's going to be the same cord between the A8T, the AM8T, and the K688. One end is going to have an adapter from USB-C to a normal USB, and it's going to be a 2.0 connector, so it does not need to have a blue port on your computer. Once again, we'll have the same exact base stand. To lower the bracket, all you have to do is turn it to the left. I recommend securing this to your desk first before putting the boom arm on, because it's easier to keep straight. To put the boom arm on, turn the black knob to allow the arm to slide into the hole on top, and then you tighten it back up. Then you will have a secured boom arm. You want to make sure it's perfectly straight. You don't want it crooked or it won't hold securely. Line it up and rotate the handle to the right to tighten, and now you're good to go. Up next, we have the boom arm and assembly. I chose white. However, you can pick between white, black, and pink. It comes pre-assembled, so just open it up. Once again, the boom arm is universal in the FIFINE lineup. Colored part goes into the bottom base station. The mic bracket screws into the chrome. Rotate the top colored knob to secure your mic to the arm itself. You might notice a thud. Turn the knob to the right to secure it. And last but not least, the microphone itself. We have an RGB button at the very top, headset volume knob at the bottom, and a mic input gain in the middle. The top left will be the USB-C port, and bottom is for the XLR for a more professional setup, and the top right is for headsets. Just like the previous mic, it has a quick mute at the top. The microphone comes with the bracket at the top and just rotate it down, speaking to the microphone at the top part. White knobs on the sides also need to be tightened. Angle it however you wish. Alright, so how do we set this up in Discord? Well, all you have to do is head over to the settings icon, and then you want to head over to voice and video, which is going to be down here underneath the app settings. From here, make sure your default microphone is set up to your new FIFINE microphone. If you had one previously, then it'll be labeled as 2. Well, let's do a let's check. This is the AM8T, roll straight to Discord. No filters, no EQ, just plug and play. And here's my headset microphone for comparison. You can hear the difference right away. Back to the AM8T. It's definitely cleaner and fuller, and pretty much all you're going to need to do to get rolling in Discord.